In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a shape using Canva. If you're new to Canva or just looking to enhance your designs with a simple blur effect, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and apply these techniques to your projects. First, let's get started by heading over to Canva's website at canva.com. If you're already a member, simply sign in using your credentials by clicking on the login button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Canva offers several ways to log in, so you can choose whichever is most convenient for you, whether it's through Google, Facebook, or with your email. Now once you're logged in, you'll see the home page. Locate the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on these will open up a menu where you'll find the Create a Design option. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a selection of templates. Here you can choose the kind of canvas you'd like to start with. Whether you want to make a social media post, a flyer, or something else entirely, the choice is yours. If you have a specific template in mind, you can select it, or you can start with a blank canvas. Next, let's focus on the shape you want to blur. If the shape you're using is from another program or tool, make sure it's saved as a JPG or PNG file. If the shape is already housed within Canva, you can first download it as an image to make the process smoother. Once you have your image ready, navigate to the Upload section in the Canva interface. This is where you can upload the image file of your shape. After you've uploaded the shape, it will appear in your Uploads library. Click on it to bring it directly into your Canva design workspace. With your shape now on the canvas, locate the Edit Photo option. This is usually nestled under a section called FX Effects in the editing menu on the left hand side, or sometimes at the top of the design space. Clicking this will open up a range of editing tools. You're looking for the blur option within this menu. Finally, when you found the blur tool, you'll notice there's a slider that allows you to adjust the intensity of the blur. Dragging the slider left or right provides varying degrees of blur, so you can control just how much of your shape you want to obscure. Play around with it until you achieve the desired level of effect. By following these instructions, you should now have a beautifully blurred shape that can add depth and sophistication to any of your design projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore the many other design tools Canva has to offer to elevate your creativity even further.